Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'm taking around this 2007 56 plate Mini Cooper Convertible. But before I do that, let me show you what we do here. So this is our showroom, full of minis. And this is our service workshop. We have 3 ramps, and this is where we do all the mechanical work. So this is our body shop. We have a full-size spray booth, and then down this side we've got 2 prep bays. And this is our spares library. So let's get back to the car in hand. So this is a 2007 just 56 plate Mini Cooper Convertible. I first sold this car in the back end of 2019, and the couple who bought it came back last week and bought another Mini from me. So I've known this car obviously for a while. It's not bad condition. There are some bumps and bruises here and there on the bodywork, which is why it is being sold for less than market price. I'll show you those bumps and bruises. I'll just go once round it. You can see that everything's there, everything's in good condition. I mean, it is a 2007 car at the end of the day, but it is not perfect, not in the same way we normally sell our cars. But it has loads of extras and actually looks pretty decent. So it's got these xenon lights. These are headlamp washers that squirt water on the headlights when you wash the windscreen. Let's just show you where the bumps and bruises are. So this wheel has got some curbing. Tyres pretty decent, but there are some marks on the wheel. And coming down this side, I think we've got some marks here. We've got a minor dent there. And then coming back here, we have a bit of a scratch through the paint. It's not rusted in any ways. I think it's just gone through the top coat. Back wheel, some minor curbing. Tyre, it's not new by any means. There is wearable tread on that still, but it's probably going to be due for replacement in the next year. A closer look. This coming around the bumper here, we have some minor bubbling on the chrome here. We've got a bit of a mark in the bumper by this parking sensor. Fairly minor stuff, to be honest. The tread on this tyre, I'd say that's pretty much due for renewal. It's not illegal, but it's not far off. We could probably put a new tyre on that before sale. Wheel in not bad condition. There is some curbing there. Coming down this side, we've got a minor scratch here, a bit of car parking bruise here, a very minor dent there, and well, let's say that's about it really. What have we got on the bonnet? Some stone chips. Front wheel, wheels in not bad condition, tyres in not bad condition. So there we are. I mean, when you stand back from the car, it's all there. It looks great. When you dive in, I think there's a minor, no, it's just a blemish in the paintwork. When you stand back from the car, it's not bad. When you dive in and look really closely, there are some blemishes here and there. So there you are. These windows are quite tinted, sorry. Actually, the front windows are less tinted. We have half leather, hood's in good condition, and steering wheel controls for cruise control and the stereo. We have air conditioning, we have a CD player, electric mirrors. These buttons control the raising and lowering the hood, and this one lowers all the windows together and windows all up together. Let's get in. So there are 3 keys with the car, including a blank. And let's just start the car up. So as of today, the car has done 82,644 miles, and the first number was actually how many miles to go before the next service is due. Start the car up, all lights have gone out, fires up straight away, very smooth, sounds good. So that's the radio, standard radio with a CD player. We have the air conditioning, which is an option on this car. We have all the heating controls here. These are the mirror controls. 5-speed gearbox. It's a Getrag gearbox on this car. The earlier generation, or the earlier model of this car, pre-2004, had a Midland gearbox and they were prone to failure, but these are pretty strong. Interior is all nice, but this gunmetal grey finish on surfaces here. Good sized glove box. This is for the cruise control. I do not believe it has Bluetooth telephone, it's just a button. Beg your pardon, this is for the radio and this is for the cruise control. Here we have the trip computer, so you click on that button and it cycles through various displays on the dash here, headlights on, and this side is the windscreen wipers. This one drops all the windows in one go, so the rear windows go down first, press and release, and then the front ones go down. And then, opposite is true. We put the rear ones up, and then the front ones up. Now, this is the hood control, so we're going to raise the hood. The windows drop a little bit, the back ones go all the way, and you see the hood coming up now and latching into place, and then the front portion, or the sunroof portion, closing, and now the windows are closed. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this other button. The first part is the sunroof, and you can stop that wherever you want to, so you can have, and you do that when you're moving as well. So basically you can be going on the motorway, I want a bit of sunshine, and open that a little bit, and then it stops, and then press it again, and then it goes the rest of the way. So there you have it. We have a 2007 56 plate Mini Cooper Convertible. Half leather, xenons, cruise control, steering wheel controls, air conditioning. It's got the lot for a car of its age. It's well spec'd, very well spec'd indeed. Great history. Bodywork has got a few bumps and bruises on it, but that's reflected in the price. Come along, see it, drive it, see what you think. I think you like it. Thank you.